want some of this sploop, or shall I just use it, or do you need some?
I don't know, how have you managed to get green sploop?
That came off of John's rag.
Did it? What about this one? Upon what sides does it need to be filled?
That's the one that needs super sanding jobs and shit.
Yeah, but what about all this pleb?
Exactly.
Where does that get filled? That? Oh my dick.
Oh no, that's the big fuck up.
Is that the
That's
bottom?
got to just get sanded up a bit and be the bottom, I suppose. Yeah. This one's going to get lifted and dropped in.
So you've got to do
This one's going to be on an eyelet to get dropped in on a bit of whatever. This one as well is quite heavy.
This one's going to get dropped in on
Try
a fishing line. Whoops.
I made that out of 12 mil to make it lighter, but
Fuck you!
I think it should be too heavy.
Should we hollow it out?
What do you think?
No, I think it's quick. Do you know how they're lifting it?
Humans, I think.
Really?
Is that not, that's not good, is it?
It depends how close they can get. Tell you what, you're not in China anyway, are you?
No.
Someone else's fault.
Well, yeah, I mean...
Did they tell you what was going on?
Didn't they say to you make it really big and as heavy as possible?
No, they did say that it's getting... They need to be lighter.
Oh.
So I have kind of ruined it.
Well,
you said
no,
all that
technically,
stuff.
that's right as well.
Well,
You
yeah.
know what I mean?
Yeah.
Are you directing from the club or what?
Directing from the pub?
Yeah, we've got an app. We're going to have an app.
Insta direct.
Cover.
No, you're lifting it wrong. It was lighter on the main. Must be the way that you're holding it.
Lighter when you make it.
So this gets filled from every angle.
No, it's definitely got a good and a bad side.
Because this is up. This is like a good front face.
Yeah,
Do you want a good
that
front
would be
face?
the good. Yeah.
That's right, man. I bet there's a pencil there somewhere.
Right on the back of it then. Right next to the back.
Yeah, wait, is that one you done? No, this is the one
I'm trying to get the paint. They don't. It's just going to show for the paint, isn't it?
No. 7 or 8 coats of gloss.
8 coats.
What time is it?
3 weeks drying time. Would be fucking beautiful, this thing.
So I can use Terry's heater, right?
Put it inside.
You told him that you had quite broken his
Yeah,
heater.
I told him I broke his bed heater.
What did you say?
So he was back in the camp.
No, you wouldn't have done this thing.
He said,
John.
that's alright.
Oh, don't worry.
Don't worry. I didn't want to stay warm, it was cold.
It's good that you waited until January, the new fresh heat of January, to tell him instead of in the cold December.
Yeah. Alright. You can take it, hang on.
You pencil with Joe's name on it.
Crisp edges. Get crisp with U-Haul.
Didn't quite cut that properly. You ball.
Jingle for U-Haul then.
Yeah.
U-Haul.
My favourite.
The sound.
This blend. The beginning bit was pretty good. That's it. Yeah. Take a chair.
Sound of industry.
Sound of industry. Sound of industry.
Sound of industry. What's that sound?
It's the sound of industry. Sound of industry.
Never-ending jingles. The sound of
I
industry.
forget that. It's not going to change, is it?
No. Don't think just because you cracked it, it's going to change. Oh, the skin, it goes off. Everything ends.
Time for bed.
I've done this one as well now.
This stuff smells like I might be dying.
Oh, it's dead.
That's it. Death.
Another angel got its wings.
till I've done. Now you can see the whole side that hasn't been filled.
Yeah, especially because we just call it the front face.
Oh, this one.
This one I'm doing right now is the front. One with the hole in it.
What one is this one?
Yeah.
Well, no.
This is back from there.
That's got to be the back, isn't it?
What?
Because look, this, you don't want that here.
I don't want any of it. Where's your mask?
This is the front here.
Mask.
Change that tune.
Vote now. Okay.
How's your date going, Joe?
Quite.
What's
Quite
that?
touchy.
You having a nice time?
A great time. Thing is, John, if I get this done, we're going to date tomorrow.
Ooh.
Sounds good to you. Oh, look at what John's doing. I bet you're already bored of it as well.
Oh,
And I'm looking at it in pure jealousy.
really?
Yeah.
Mate.
Fucking electroset John, they call him. The old dry rug transfer. Should we open the window?
I want the office. That's what I'm doing.
Hang on, what about the old jet box? Does that still kick it?
Still upstairs?
John Buck hates jet box. Yes, sound of industry.
You got a rubber around here, is it? In here maybe?
A rubber.
A rubber.
I would think possibly in the top drawer.
Rubbers.
Someone's made a massive pair of ears up here. Was that you, John?
Yeah.
How much do they sell for?
$2.99.
You'll pay £3.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch me.
What a sexy chicken! Are they going to go together in a special way, John?
That way.
That way.
Yeah,
Nice.
a little bit kind of random, really. But
Where is it?
I kind of got a feeling it's all just going to be held together by
Massive bolts.
massive bolts on a very, very thin bit of veneer. Yeah.
Oh Jesus, really decorative housing.
Yeah.
Two big washing areas.
Yeah, a little bit intrusive.
Yeah.
Oh, this stuff just sort of jumped to the rest. I didn't even rub it. It just came out.
The hairy wood just reaching out and getting it.
Oh, oh, time for something else.
What shop is it going to go?
Germany.
They know about timekeeping.
Yeah, where's their Greenwich Meridian line?
Certainly. I mean, we Constars are friends, so
Yeah,
yeah.
good.
It used to be as good as England Paris.
Ha! Ha ha ha!
Took it off and
Ah.
oh thank you. of should we use John's little palm sander?
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Otherwise, Joe's never going to go on a date tomorrow.
No, no. That's the pump himself. What about this fat lady?
Yeah, blues got back together.
Looking at her.
Blues got together really badly.
Well, she looks way better there than she did when she was tucked away from her.
Yeah.
She's a proper fatty.
Black and lady!
But when she's lying down, she looks like an artist model. You know?
Oh, like a lithium spray.
Like a lithium bride. Chubby lady.
I like my lady. Yellow and fat.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Yellow and fat and yellow.
Oh.
Blonde, skinny and Swedish, and the sort of my compromise.
Yeah. Thanks for listening to the show.
Yeah, who heard the show, darling?
Oops.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, more of the same.
More of the same.
Ah, not giving her the ring. Oh, nice. Oh, the ring. I don't know, I'm sitting by myself. This thing's quite ready. I tried. I tried looking around. We've got to change the screw. Time to stop doing this. Maybe this is here.
Huh? Yeah, a real one. Yeah.
Oh, real barrel.
That's actually lasting me quite well for it being 20.
Sure, you do. Think of brand new.
I'm going to set them off again.
You had to buy such a big tub of U-Bolt, so I'm going to chuck half of it in the bin after I've mixed up too much.
Aruba. Fucking steak.
Oh, how many more?
Has everyone done their taxes?
No.
What's wicked? So how's the industry?
Yeah.
Done their taxes?
No, I don't taxes.
So I get more, what is it, paid in May of the month?
First, yeah. So basically, the 30th. I
Yeah,
mine.
do it on the 30th. But I do it on the 30th by sending them to the accountant on the 30th.
I do.
And he goes, you cunt. Every year. You.
Yeah, well, what's it getting paid for?
Yeah, exactly.
Sounds of slightly void industry.
Badly organised industry.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Do you reckon Tara's still shuffling out that radio station? Probably not. Broadcasting.
Betty Shunt is still making lots of noise.
Is it?
There's a place in the show that goes like,
What time of day do they do that?
quite fed up today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Breakfast onwards. Since it's £100 ticket and £200 for a drink, I don't want to go and see it. And